Here we go. Welcome. This one just arrived. Actually, sorry, 3 vehicles. This is the brand spanking new Land Rover Discovery Metropolitan. 22-inch wheels, 7-seater, tan interior with the Fuji white, and the star of the show, you already know. 2023 full size Land Rover, the Range Rover. The truck that Kim Kardashian and Tom Hanks, all of them drive. The big boy is here. This is the special long wheelbase, guys. Long wheelbase. This is what the Queen would have rode in. This one is so comfortable. As you can see, it's a little bit longer wheelbase right here. The rear seats fully recline. It's Fuji white with a caraway interior. Caraway is like a caramel or mocha interior. Gorgeous vehicle. Just got off the transit truck. It's going to be cleaned up, go through PDI, which is initial product inspection, and then it'll be ready to roll to its next buyer. Whoever's going to get this one. This is a rare vehicle. This might be the only one in Arizona because they cannot produce enough of them. About 57 computers runs this truck. 57 computers, guys, runs this Land Rover. So they cannot get the chips, so it's hard to make these. So these things are worth every penny. If you want this one, this is available as of right now. It will be sold quickly though, as the word spreads. Excuse me. Cannot talk, I'm so excited. 2023 full size Range Rover, new buy style, long wheelbase, LWB they call it. This one is gorgeous. The Metropolitan Discovery is here. I love the wheels and tires on this one. Digital headlights, R-dynamic, which means it's got the black accents on it. Look at how regal this thing looks. Look how this thing looks. This thing is legit. So quiet. So that one's here. This one here, Discovery with a hitch. These wheels are sick. Sick wheels. Let's look inside there. Why don't we? This is how they come, guys. All wrapped up in plastic up so you can't scratch it in delivery process. Got the cream interior. This is very nice. Dual sunroofs, seating. The display is huge. Everything's tactile touch. Dual zone climate control, automatic cruise control. It's got leveling, so it'll air ride up and down. Hit that button that comes up. You can choose all your modes and stuff right there. Man, 25 miles to a gallon too. Not bad. Tow impact, 20-way heated and cooled seating with the massage features. Fuji white with a light oyster, that's what it is. Okay. Parametric alarm, 3D sound. This is sick. This buy style I wasn't sure of until I seen it, but this one, it looks very good. It's all in transit mode. I don't know if I can even unlock it. Hold on, see if I can jimmy it. There it is. Got to open it from the inside because it's all locked up from transport. Look at this thing. 2-tone seats that's kind of ribbed. This leather feels so neat. I like this leather. It's got the electronic seats. It is a third row vehicle. The third row is folded down there. It's got the rear AC vents in the middle. Look at that. So that's a very convenient place to put rear AC for the heat. And it's got a rear sunroof, active noise cancellation, and microphone, so everybody can talk on the phone when you're in back here. Dual zone climate control. This is sick. So they're about to get it ready right now to go do its paces. We're good. This is a very nice looking vehicle though. Look at this. Look at the inside of it. I mean, look at the bylines. It looks very cool. The Discovery came a long way. And this is a special edition Metropolitan Discovery, as you call it. He's about to move it so you can see the whole vehicle. This is a nice looking SUV. Look at this thing. Isn't that nice? That is sick, guys. Look at huge blacked out brake calipers by Brembo brakes. Okay, Land Rover. So yeah, so we got them here now, guys. Come right here, 19350 North Arizona Loop, Arrowhead, Land Rover, and Jaguar. 602-456-9445. We currently have every model of Land Rover, from the Evoque, Discovery Sport, full-size Discovery that you just saw, Land Rover, Range Rover, the Sport, Range Rover, the Velar's here, Tesla's here. Yeah, come see it. 602-4